Hello everybody, my name is John Freddy Salazar Correa. I'm 44 years old. I was born in Palmira, Valle del Cauca, but I have been living in the coast of Colombia for 23 years, so long. And my occupation, I work as a diesel technical mechanic in a coal mine called Drummond. My English level, according with the Common European Framework Reference, is a B1 level. And about the previous teaching experience, I don't have any experience due to I never have worked as a teacher. How I told you before, I work as a diesel mechanic in a coal mine, and this is my decision to start this career to change of work environment and teach great language to the young people. And I neither have experience in preparing people for international materials. I don't have any of this experience in this field. Okay, that's it. Thanks a lot for all of you, and blessings.